Emmanuel de Pedron Pacquiao Sr., born December 17, 1978, is a Filipino politician, businessman, and former professional boxer. Nicknamed Pac-Man, he is widely regarded as one of the greatest professional boxers of all time. He is the son of Rosalio Pacquiao and actress Dionysia de Pedron. His parents separated when he was in 6th grade. He is the fourth of 6 siblings, one of whom, Alberto Bobby Pacquiao, is also a politician and former professional boxer. At the age of 14, Pacquiao moved to Manila and lived on the streets, worked as a construction worker, and had to pick between eating or sending money to his mother. Pacquiao completed his elementary education at Saavedra Soy Elementary School in General Santos, but dropped out of high school due to extreme and abject poverty. Pacquiao is the only A-Division world champion in the history of boxing and has won 12 major world titles. He won the lineal championship in 4 different weight classes: flyweight, featherweight, super featherweight, super lightweight. The first boxer to win major world titles in 4 of the 8 glamour divisions: flyweight, featherweight, lightweight, and welterweight, and is the only boxer to hold world championships across 4 decades: 1990s to 2020s. In July 2019, Pacquiao became the oldest welterweight world champion in history at the age of 40, and the first boxer in history to become a recognized 4-time welterweight champion after defeating Keith Thurman to win the WBA super welterweight title. As of 2015, Pacquiao's fights had generated $1.2 billion in revenue from his 25 pay-per-view bouts. Forbes ranked him the 2nd highest paid athlete in the world in 2012 and 2015, and the 8th highest paid athlete of the 2010s. In 2024, ESPN ranked Pacquiao as the greatest Asian athlete of the 21st century. Pacquiao entered politics in 2010 when he was elected as the representative of Sarangani. He held this post for 6 years until he was elected and assumed office as a senator from 2016 to 2022. On September 19, 2021, Pacquiao officially declared his candidacy for president of the Philippines in the 2022 Philippine presidential election. He ended up losing to Bongbong Marcos. In an exclusive interview with Yahoo! Southeast Asia, Jinkee revealed that she was introduced to Manny in a shopping mall by her uncle, who also served as Manny's then trainer. He was still an unknown and fledgling boxer then, while she a sales attendant for a cosmetics brand in General Santos City. For 3 months, Manny courted her persistently, visiting her every day. Pacquiao married Jinkee on May 10, 1999. Together, they have 5 children: Emmanuel Jr. Jimio, Michael Stephen, Mary Divine Grace Princess, Queen Elizabeth Queenie, and Israel. In 2006, Joanna Rose Bacosa, a Kang TV receptionist, disclosed the existence of her child with Manny named as Emmanuel Bacosa. His first son, Jimio, also rose to celebrity fame as an amateur boxer, model, and actor, while his second son, Michael, is a rapper who has amassed tens of millions of streams with his songs. His love child, Eamon, followed his footsteps and made his boxing debut on September 23, 2023, which ends with a draw. He dedicated his bout against Noel Pangantao last December 15, 2023 for his father. He won the fight and immediately rushed offering to Manny after and gave him a hug and a kiss. Inside Manny Pacquiao's stunning private beach resort, A-Division world champion Manny Pacquiao and wife Jinkee are known to own a number of beautiful properties in the Philippines and the US, and one of those is their private beach resort in Barangay Taluya in the municipality of Glan in Sarangani Province. In Jinkee's vlog, the legendary boxer's wife said that they started building their resort 7 years ago. Jinkee considers their private beach resort in Glan, Sarangani Province as her happy place since this is where she often goes with her family for a vacation. Get a glimpse of the stunning private beach resort of the Pacquiaos in this gallery. The Pacquiaos' own piece of paradise is composed of mainly 5 parts: Manny and Jinkee's villa, Villa 1, Villa 2, the Bullwagon. Villa 1 is for the Yamora family, while Villa 2 is for the Pacquiao family. The Bullwagon serves as a place where the Pacquiaos can gather with their loved ones and friends or entertain visitors. The private beach resort can be found along Gumasa Beach in the municipality of Glan in Sarangani Province. The private beach resort has a main rest house and two villas. It comes with 14 bedrooms, which can accommodate both the Yamura and Pacquiao clans. In Jinkee's second vlog about their private beach resort, she showed how she goes for a morning run in the powdery sand. She also shared video clips of the family's fun boat ride, boodle fight dinner, and their praise and worship time on Sunday. The beautiful villa of Jinkee and Manny. Jinkee and Manny's living area definitely screams summer with the use of blue-green, orange, yellow, and red for the cushion and pillows. The use of summer color palette continues in the small living area near Jinkee and Manny's bedroom. Two square ottomans are conveniently placed in front of Jinkee and Manny's huge TV in their bedroom. Jinkee and Manny's bed in their private beach resort. Jinkee and Manny's humble walk-in closet in their private beach resort, which is honestly still way bigger than most of our closets. Jinkee Pacquiao gives a sneak peek of their bathroom. The bullwagon or hall is seen on the leftmost part of the photo, right next to the swimming pool. Jinkee and Manny's villa is situated in front of the gorgeous pond and garden, and the dockhouse could also be seen at the back of the hall. A closer look at the pond and mini garden in front of Jinkee and Manny's villa. In the vlog, Manny Pacquiao is seen entertaining some guests in their hall. Jinkee Pacquiao gives a tour of their stunning dockhouse. Jinkee Pacquiao says they sometimes hang out and have dinner or breakfast in their dockhouse, and sometimes it serves as the venue for their Bible study sessions. During the virtual tour, Jinkee Pacquiao shows the inside of the dockhouse, which was bare at the time because they moved the furniture to the villas when not in use. The Pacquiao swimming pool in their private beach resort, which has a breathtaking view of the sea. Top view of the Pacquiao swimming pool. Jinkee shows the gorgeous daybed and sunbeds in their pool area. Jinkee goes for a morning run in the powdery white sand. The beautiful shaded spot where the Pacquiaos can dine right next to the sea. Another view of the Pacquiaos private beach resort. The Pacquiaos enjoy their dinner by the beach. Jinkee shows the mouth-watering boodle fight setup during one of their dinners. Jinkee gives a tour of the two other villas in their property. Villa 1 is where Jinkee's twin, Janet Yamura, stays with her family, while Villa 2 is where Mommy D and the rest of the Pacquiaos stay. Villa 1 has a bedroom on the ground floor with a seating area outside. The blue and white theme continues in the other villas of the Pacquiaos private beach resort. Villa 1 has a huge balcony with a seating or dining area in it. Jinkee shows the amazing view from the Villa 1 balcony. Jinkee's photos are displayed all over Villa 1. She said it is to remind her of the magazine covers and endorsements she previously did. Queenie and Mary prepare for a boat ride with the family. The Pacquiaos enjoy a fun time in the water. Manny and Jinkee during one of their worship days held in their private beach resort. An aerial view of the Pacquiaos' stunning private beach resort in Sarangani. Congrats to Manny and Jinkee on their jaw-droppingly beautiful private beach resort. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support means a lot. Hit the notification bell so you never miss out on new content. Always take care.